What's going on? What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, trying to fix some holes in the floor. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I've been working on getting all this fat mat up. I mean, it's basically up just where I gotta get the shifter. However, to get the shifter out, I got this axle in and the tire back on. We'll do that probably tomorrow. Then I can get jack the front up because the shifter's underneath the transmission. So then we'll finish pulling all this stuff out. But over the years, I have noticed there has been a lot of seats mounted. 1, 2, that's 3, believe it or not. That's factory. There's like 5 different seats mounted. So that's where my seats go. And the front hole actually was here, beside this little drain. And whenever I pulled the fat mat up, the metal came with it. So that's an issue. So how we're gonna fix that is I went and bought a titanium little flux core welder. So here we have our flux cord. The garage is a mess, I'm so sorry, but it's late at night. So we got our grinder with a cutoff wheel, we got a flap wheel, we got a wire brush wheel. Here we have I believe that is 16 gauge just sheet metal. I don't have a MIG welder. I do have a TIG welder, but I was not about to TIG that. So flux cord is we're using 035 wire. 16 gauge is about how thick that is, I do believe. If not, we'll double up it. So my plan right now is I'm just going to cut a straight line here, 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 like that big, and just fill in that section there. I do have a brass spoon to start trying to fill these holes over here. So you stick that underneath it and you just start running your bead on the outside of it. You knock it down, run your bead, good as new. I'm gonna try it here too. So I've never done this. Thomas, you probably seen in the last video, just did that little quarter panel piece. That was also flux core. Still got to finish taking that off. Jesus, you can see how thick that is. Anyway, getting sidetracked. It's late at night, tired. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this out. We're going to try not to hit the muffler. I mean, that's kind of a good width on there, I think. Oh yeah, that's a couple inches. So we should be good, but once again, I am an idiot. So yeah, anyway, let's talk even more worky. All right, and now it's smoking here, but we got our hole cut. So up next, we're just going to grab the piece of metal and mark it where we need to cut it, and then we'll go cut it. Alright guys, so we got our piece cut, slightly bigger than the hole. What we're going to do is throw the flap wheel on it and cut it down to where it fits nicely. And then we'll use this magnet here, hold it in place, and if I have to, stick my arm up underneath it, give it a tack or two, kind of work it into place, and then get it burned in. So take the old handy dandy grinder, wherever it may be. Dang, it's on the other side where I just cut that. Throw the flat wheel on it. Alright guys, so got the piece of metal in here. I know lighting's all messed up, but fits like a glove. Can't really see it because I'm just holding it with the magnet. So, but trust me when I say it. There it goes. Fits pretty well all the way around. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a tack or two on it, and then we'll get to burning this thing in. I'm not gonna be able to record it because I don't have a tripod anymore, so I'll show you whenever we're done. Alright, so it's done. Don't kill me too bad in the comments. You know I can't weld, especially with the MIG welder. That's why I bought a TIG. Not good at that either, but you're never gonna learn. Let's try it. Without further ado, so she's in there. It's got good penetration. You know, look down underneath, it's all good. So I think what I'm about to do is hit it with the wire wheel and see where we're at. But
this over here is real ugly, real bubble gummy. I had to build all that up just because the way the plate was sitting. I thought I had really good fitment, but it kind of started pulling. The sheet metal was real thin there. So what I did was I welded it to that piece, and then I kind of drug a puddle up to this lip here in hopes that it would strengthen it, because that's where my seat actually bolts to. Now there's my welds. That's a professional weld over there. I thought that was a patch weld. It's actually my subframe connector. Right through there. So let's get this cleaned up and see where we're at. Alright, so there's my popcorn, my bubblegum. Not too bad. Like I said, so here is where I kind of built it off the plate, the weld up to this little edge. So I think it's good. We'll throw some seam sealer on it. We'll paint it. We'll call it a day. So that's gonna do it for me. I'm going in. I got a sick daughter. I'm gonna go love on her. I'll catch you in the next one. Do me a favor. Go subscribe. You're here. You already watched the video. Might as well. We're building race cars, turbos, going fast, blowing up, getting mad, throwing an LS in it. You know, the whole deal. So the one's for my dad. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.